Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I have for you an awesome recipe from Bigger Bolder Baking, which is a YouTube channel that's pretty awesome. She makes food and stuff on there. You guys should go check her out. I'm going to make cream cheese with only a few ingredients, just whole milk, 4 cups of whole milk, a couple of pinches of salt, and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. She says that you could use vinegar or lime juice, but I used lemon juice. Well, here we go. For this, you'll need a large pot, a blender or a food processor, a strainer, a large bowl, and some cheesecloth. First, simmer your 4 cups of milk on medium to high heat while stirring constantly. Once simmering, dump in your lemon juice 1 tablespoon at a time while still stirring. And now place your strainer over top of your bowl with your cheesecloth draped over, and then dump everything in, separating the curds from the whey. And now let rest for 15 minutes, and whenever you come back, squeeze it with the cheesecloth to drain the rest of the whey out. Add your salt to taste. And now blend the shit out of it until it's creamy. If it's too doughy for you, you could add back in some of the whey. And here's the final product, everybody. I had some of this before. Just a little while ago. I tried it whenever it was room temperature and it wasn't really good. And I had to actually add in a bunch of the whey back in. Because to me it was just too doughy. And I mean, of course, I'm not going to say this isn't cream cheese, because everywhere else that I've seen, this is what cream cheese is. You simmer the milk, you put in some kind of something that it's like acidic, like, you know, lemon juice or lime juice, and it separates the curds and whey. I think it's acid in it that separates it, I'm pretty sure. But that's what they all say to do, except for I've seen one where it says you could use yogurt. You can hear Marilyn Manson eating my cat. Not Marilyn Manson eating my cat, but my cat Marilyn Manson eating. But I don't know if I'd ever make this again. It'd go great with some chopped up jalapenos in it. But yeah, this is it. It's not bad. It's not something I really want to make again. I made it a long time ago and I screwed it up because I didn't know you were supposed to put it in a blender or a food processor. And I was like packing it together. I was like, man, why ain't this turning out? Well, I don't even think they said to put it in a blender or a food processor whenever I first read up on it. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys tonight. Have a great night, everyone.